It's just after midnight, and Saturday night is still going strong. This isn't a tourist hotspot. It's a Seoul nightlife area where locals come to eat, drink, and hang out. This area is called Guro Digital Complex. It's a major office district, and on weekdays, these streets fill with office workers after work. It also stays lively on Friday and Saturday nights. That's why these streets are packed with restaurants, pubs, karaoke rooms, and hostess bars, where customers drink with paid female hostesses. You'll also find pool halls, arcades, and plenty of other places to hang out. There are couples and groups everywhere, out enjoying Saturday night. It's so crowded that I can barely get through on the motorcycle. Someone up ahead looks like they've had a little too much to drink. They're stumbling as they walk. Let me pick up the order first. This pickup is from a Korean-style sashimi restaurant, and the place is absolutely packed. The pickup is done. I'll finish this delivery, then come back and take a closer look at the nightlife here in Guro Digital Complex. After making a few more deliveries, I'm back in the nightlife area near Guro Digital Complex. It's 2 in the morning, but there are still plenty of people out enjoying the night. Let's take a closer look at the different places to eat, drink, and have fun here, and see just how many are packed into this area. One reason streets like these are lined with so many different businesses is a Korean nightlife tradition of moving from place to place in rounds. In Korea, a night out often continues at more than one place. The first round is usually dinner, often with drinks. For the second round, people might move to a pub or bar for more drinks. And if the night continues, people might go to a karaoke room, a pool hall, or another place to hang out for a third round. This tradition is less common than it once was, but it still helps explain why so many restaurants, bars, karaoke rooms, and other late-night businesses are located so close together here. Even at 2 in the morning, there are still plenty of people out. Scenes like this are common in many nightlife areas across Korea. The nightlife area around Guro Digital Complex is well known among locals, but it isn't mainly a tourist destination. Do nightlife areas where you live stay this busy at 2 in the morning? Thanks for watching Korea at street level. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me keep making videos like this.